Hey everybody, it's Kelly and happy December. Welcome to day one of my December daily process videos. For those of you who have joined me in the past, welcome back. You guys know this is my favorite project of the year that this will be my 12th year that I've done some sort of December daily, album. My plan for you guys is to do a video every day. So beginning today, which this will go up on December 3rd, I should have a video every day until I'm done with this. Right now my plans are probably to go through the 1st of January, at least do processes through the 1st of January. But I always, it's my project, so I get to decide. That's where I usually end. For those of you who are new, welcome for the first time. If you haven't seen, I have a December daily playlist. You guys should all know that. If you have not seen my prep video, that's where I show you everything I'm going to use. I have a video with the main pieces I'm going to use, which is the Elle Studio December Documented Kit for 2018. And then I also have a video for this album cover. I'm using the Simple Stories album. Besides that December 2018 playlist, there's a 2016 and a 2017 playlist out there as well, so you can look that up, those up, and peek into my process for the last couple of years. I also have an album flip through of a couple of my older albums, not necessarily in this form, so just kind of to catch you all up. And for those of you who recognize my scrap space normally, I am not scrapping in my normal scrap space. I've had a friend here for the weekend. I'm actually scrapping up in my living room, and as I'm just literally started talking to you guys, it started to snow outside. So we're supposed to get, they thought rain first and then snow tonight, but I'm actually seeing big chunky flakes flying. So I'd rather see that anyway, because freezing rain is ugly. I live in the upper Midwest and we deal with winter weather, but freezing rain, not so much fun. Anyway, so it's really Christmassy here, you guys, which is really exciting. So anyway, let's get started. So I am using the Simple Stories album. I have my page protectors in here, kind of a variety of them all set to go. I talk about that, I think, a little bit more in my prep video or in my cover video. So check that out if you have questions, or if you have questions, just leave me questions. Also, just so you know, I intend to get these videos up at 5 a.m. Central Standard Time every day while I'm doing this, but that may not happen depending on what's going on. The other thing I want to tell you about the video today, and probably a couple more videos, is that I'm going to be scrapbooking in this particular space. So I've got some stuff going on down in my scrapbook room. This is just a better place for me to be doing that right now. The camera might take a little bit because I'm scrapbooking on a table on carpet. So I'm hoping it's not going to be too bad, but I apologize in advance. So here are my two pictures for the day here. They say, the first one says Hello December, and then the other one is a picture of my scrap room when I was scrapping in it the other day. This Hello December, I've done this the past couple of years. On December 1st, I've used a card like this. So it's just a Google image that says, I just searched on Google for images by using the words Hello December. And I pick one that I like. In this case, I thought I'd pick it to go with that particular photo. And then off I go. So I think what I'm going to do, because neither of these photos is 4x6, most of my photos won't be because I take them with my phone camera. I'm going to grab my paper packs here, my 'Tis the Season, which is older, and then Merry and Bright, which is the Elle Studio from this year. Maybe see, I think that might be a little busy, and I don't want to cover up that much of the trees. This is probably a good pattern to use. I think I like it a little bit better behind that. Just gonna see what else is in here. So I could go just like red and green with the little candy cane stripe here. Or then there's this one, which brings them both in. And I'm thinking right now I really like this candy cane stripe. By the way, the idea behind this is, especially if you're doing this on a daily basis, is not to find the most perfect thing, but to find the thing that works. So I think this thing works. So I'm going to do this. And I forgot, and I don't have a ruler up here, which is crazy that I don't, but these pockets are not, I know they're bigger than 4x6, but I'm just going to cut them down to 4x6, I think, and just deal with that from there. Or I could, hold on a second, guys. I can measure it on my trimmer. Yay, trimmer. Yeah, it's 4x6 will be close enough. So I'm going to just cut this down to 4x6, and I will have a ton of scraps left over at the end. I try to use them within my process, but if I can't, that's okay. My sister-in-law is a grade school teacher, and so I give them to her. Notice, by the way, this is my page in the front of the album, so I don't know, for some reason I decided I wanted the stripes going that way. Whatever that is, it is what it is, right? Okay. So anyway, let's get, oh, that's cute. I forgot that this 'Tis the Season has stuff on the back, but yeah, that's too white anyway. Oh, and look what I just did. I put the adhesive on the back of the paper like I was going to glue it to something. Hey, it's real time here, guys. That is, by the way, most of the time I don't do real-time videos, but my December daily, I try to do real-time videos. It takes forever to upload these things, but, which for those of you who do YouTube, you know that the uploading process is the worst part of the whole thing. I think it is anyway. Okay, let's try that again. Let's put it on the back of the photograph where it really belongs. And I do have my page protector here just kind of set up for me to imagine what this stuff is going to look like. Now, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to put on this. I probably want some sort of label, and I don't have to have, but I probably would like a number. So I grab my red labels here. This photo is coming just with the light. It's really, really red and pinky. So I'm going to see if I can find, I keep my little labels and things in these little 4x6 pockets here. I'm going to see if I can maybe find a green label that I like. I don't want to cover up too much down here, but I also want enough room that I can journal just a little bit here. I liked that other label. Oh, wait, I think I found, that's a lighter green, which actually is okay. And there's that green. I think the spacing on this one is better though. Okay. What did I just say? You find what works the best. You don't have to find what's perfect, right? And I think for some reason it's telling me to put it on this side of the photo. Sometimes I'll push these more to one side or the other. I think I'm going to center this one just because the other one is centered. It might not, if that other one wasn't centered or I had something else, I might not do that, but in this particular case, I think I'll do it that way. Although, now that I think about it, if I want to embellish it, okay, I'm just going to pop this down here for just a second. I grabbed my bowl of like miscellaneous flair and stuff like that. I was thinking about putting that on, but I don't really like that. These are really cute, these Elle Studio globes. Oh, and there's one with a little, actually there's two with houses, but there's a little one with a house, which that could be really cute here. And what I could do, I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to put this, line this up more towards the side. I'll probably put like about the even amount of spacing on each side there. Okay, and then we could put the little snow globe. There is a bigger snow globe here with the house. I think that's too big, though. There's already a lot going on in this picture because it's all over my desk, so we're going to do that. And I need a number for sure as well. Well, I don't have to have a number, but I choose to have a number. Let me put it that way. How about that? That sounds better to me. I have lots. Oh, I forgot I have these number circles. They came in these puffy numbers. So they're white, or I've got those white ones, or I have these that are red and green. And I think, let's see, because I'm toying with putting it up there on that photo up there because I want space to journal down here. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to pop it in that corner there. So this card is done. These are really simple, you guys. You don't have to do a lot, especially if you really want to make this project work for you on a daily basis. I have said I pretty much always have, if my book is not finished on the 1st or 2nd, depending on like what it looks like, is it a weekend or that kind of thing, my project is finished on the 3rd because I do this almost every day. When I used to not do the videos, sometimes I would do 3 or 4 days at a time, but I pretty much stayed caught up. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm not going to actually journal on this because what will happen is the camera will shake and you guys don't really need to see that. I'll do some still shots of these so that you can see them. But there we go. That's day 1 done, guys. And I don't know, 15 minutes at the most. So I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.